To commemorate the 4th anniversary of the Great American Outdoors Act, we recently visited the Idaho Panhandle. It all starts with the ride to the destination. You'll most likely drive on a Forest Service road like this one. It's currently undergoing road resurfacing for smoother travel, and they recently installed a culvert for fish and wildlife to safely pass underneath.
The Silver City Ranger District has had a partnership with Our Lady of Guadalupe Monastery going back since before I started here permanently 6 years ago. The relationship kind of started in that they helped get buy-in from the other members of the community around here to do fire-wise work on their properties, to teach them the importance of fire hardening their properties with thinning. Then it came forward farther when we got funding, giving us access and working around their property, and also explaining the importance of the work we were doing.